Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my voice. I don't know what I have cold or flu or just an allergy. I'm not sure. Anyway, today I would like to share with you Dianna's Marcum Fall Stamps for month of October. So let me show it to you. I'm sure that my other ambassadors friends share the stamps, but why not share it one more time? So we have here basket, has like apples, sunflowers, and pumpkin. Eat pie. I'm sorry, it's sunny today. I'm really happy. I love this pumpkin. It's pumpkin with a flower and two birds. Cute. Then we have this stamp set. What do you call it? Scarecrow. Holding a pumpkin, and there's another pumpkin with a candle. It's all about pumpkins. Then we have these cute turkeys. We have a boy and a girl turkey. Then we have the recipe stamp. This one, pumpkin pecan coffee cake. Sounds delicious. Yummy. Okay. Then we have another recipe stamp. This one called turkey noodle soup. I never tasted turkey. I don't know. I know it's like chicken, but I remember my mom used to tell me, eat it, try it, it's so yummy. I said, no. What else? Oh, we have this one, so cute. This one, it's all about mushrooms. We have here advice from a mushroom: be down to earth, start from the ground up, stay well-rounded, know when to show up, keep a low profile, never stop growing. Thank you, mushroom. This one is so cute, small but still important. And this is a mushroom house. Beautiful. Last but not least, an acorn. Oh, by the way, I'm just seeing all the stuff. I received the package, but I didn't have a chance to see the stamps, so now I'm really seeing the stamps with you. Okay, so we have here is like a big acorn. It has like a farmhouse, maybe an apple tree. Then we have here my favorite nut and a couple of acorn. Love it. Okay, so I'm going to show you the cards that I created using these beautiful stamps. I'm going to link them in the description box below.